Welcome to this online announcement of awards in the exhibition Colors of Independence hosted by the Bombay Art Society on the occasion of 75th years of India's independence. The awards are selected from more than 1615 entries received from each and every state in India and overseas countries. The three-member jury of utmost respect in the field of visual art who selected awards included Professor Anil Naik, renowned sculptor Chandrajit Yadav, and well-known artist Ganpat Bhadke. Jury in charge Professor Anil Naik, chairman of the Bombay Art Society, is a name synonymous with artistic brilliance. A highly decorated and a vast career spanning over 4 decades as a visual artist. Professor Anil Naik is a gold medalist from Sir J.J. School of Art. He was also a lecturer and head of painting department at J.J. School of Art. The next jury member, renowned sculptor Chandrajit Yadav, is a secretary of the Bombay Art Society. Chandrajit Yadav had done many monumental sculptures in his towering career of multiple decades. A national award winner sculptor, Chandrajit Yadav was also a Mumbai University Syllabus Committee member, Directorate of Art Council member, and also the Haryana Government Academic Council member. The third jury member, Ganpat Bhadke, the committee member of the Bombay Art Society, is an artist and art educator based in Maharashtra. Ganpat Bhadke studied art in the early 90s at Art Faculty, MS University, Baroda. And in the early 90s, he has made once a news by winning 3 top awards in the field of visual art. That's a National Award from Lalit Kala Academy, Bombay Art Society Award, and State Art Exhibition Award. I express my sincere gratitude towards jury for selecting these awards and merit certificates unanimously from 1664 artworks. I saw jury went through artworks repeatedly, debating, discussing innovativeness of artworks. Now this innovativeness can be in the subject, it can be a composition, style, execution, and overall visual impact. After a thorough selection process, the award and merit certificate artworks are selected in each category: painting, sculpture, photography, print, and video installation. Because of such a stringent selection process, the Bombay Art Society exhibitions and awards command high respect and treated as a symbol of excellence in the field of visual art in our country. Now, the wait is over. Before starting merit certificate announcement, I wish to share that the Bombay Art Society has published Colors of Independence exhibition catalog. The catalog carries 1 artwork each of all participating artists along with merit certificate and award-winning artwork. It's quite a big catalog, 188 pages, sort of coffee table book. So the catalog soft copy will be available on the Bombay Art Society website, and artists who wish to purchase it can purchase from the Bombay Art Society website where the link to make the payment is available. We will courier the catalog copy to all the artists in India. So thank you. Now the announcement of merit certificates. As this is online announcement, we have taken care that the viewers can see award-winning artists and their artworks here once the name is announced. We'll start with the merit certificate. There are 60 merit certificates selected in different categories. The first merit certificate is awarded to Abhay Joshi for his video installation Pratibimb. It's just 6-second video installation, but very creative. The next merit certificate is presented to Arup Loth for his painting A Cloudy Day in Kolkata, done in acrylic color on canvas. Delightful rainy day, tram, trains and vehicles spying on the roads of Kolkata. The next merit certificate goes to Krishnendu Bhattacharjee for his artwork Interior, done in watercolor on paper. The next merit certificate is presented to Sandeep Soneria for his artwork Journey of Life, pen on train ticket, symbolically depicting journey of life on train tickets, pasted and used as a painting surface. The next merit certificate goes to Vijay Mahapatra for his artwork Ramayana. It's Paramparik Pattachitra, our traditional Indian art. The next merit certificate is presented to Nehal Verma for her work Oil on Canvas, highly realistic work and highly symbolic too. The next merit certificate is presented to Ranjit Kumar Ghorai for his mixed media artwork on plywood and fiberglass, fusion of cultural work with painting. The next merit certificate is presented to Sachin Nikam for his painting acrylic on boxboard paper. It's a beautiful landscape of Proper Market in Mumbai. The next merit certificate goes to Murli Raman for his artwork Ferry to the City of God, done in mixed media on canvas. The next merit certificate goes to Prashant Kulkarni for his artwork Good Seller, which is done in oil on canvas. The next merit certificate goes to Jitendra Divte for his artwork From the Window, done in watercolor on paper. Top view of densely populated houses, turning details in soft colors. The next merit certificate is presented to Meena Yadav for her untitled abstract work done in acrylic on canvas. The next merit certificate goes to Mukesh Verma for his landscape on paper, the landscape with lyrical quality, which we can call hillscape also. The next merit certificate goes to Parth Palse for his artwork titled Late Evening Urban Bazaar, done in acrylic on canvas, use of prominent lines to define figures. The next merit certificate goes to Pooja Parsamkar for her painting Friends, done in oil on canvas. Innovative way to show both sides of figures in the painting. The next merit certificate goes to Leeladhar Patil for his painting Night's Landscape, done in oil on canvas. Visually stimulating artwork with insightful composition. The next merit certificate goes to Dharmendra Sahani for his artwork Situation 2. It's a charcoal and ink on paper. Very symbolic artwork with surreal tones and mysterious setting. The next merit certificate goes to Vaibhav Gaikwad for his painting Spiritual Morning. It's in acrylic on canvas, stimulating artwork. The next merit certificate goes to Yogita Attar for her untitled artwork Mixed Media on paper. The next merit certificate goes to Kishore Narkhadiwala for his painting Lock on Lock. It's done in watercolor on paper. This is also artist comment on current times and the situation. The next merit certificate is presented to Pradyut Paul for his untitled watercolor on paper, abstract work. It goes closer to the color field abstraction. The next merit certificate goes to Akruti Maurya for her painting The Final Glimpse, done in oil on canvas. The next merit certificate goes to Anandita Kishore for the artwork Cityscape. It's done in enamel paint. The next merit certificate is presented to Rudra Singh for the artwork titled Abstract Landscape, done in acrylic on canvas. The next merit certificate is presented to Akshay Pai for the artwork titled Those 3 Days. It's gouache on paper. The next merit certificate goes to Sukanya Nijasure for her untitled oil on canvas work. The next merit certificate is presented to Manish Sharma for his painting Beyond the Horizon, done in acrylic ink on pencil on canvas. The next merit certificate goes to Mangesh Shinde for his painting Monsoon 2, done in acrylic on canvas, lyrical landscape capturing the nature's moods. The next merit certificate goes to Mainak Chakravarti for the artwork Evening, done in oil on canvas. The next merit certificate is for Deepak Kumar Sharma for the painting Glory of Clouds. It's in watercolor on Fabriano paper. The next merit certificate is presented to Smita Srivastava for her untitled artwork Mixed Media on paper. The next is Arnab Bera, a farmer with his shirt on his shoulders, done in watercolor on canvas. The next merit certificate goes to Bulbul Majumdar for the artwork watercolor on paper. The next merit certificate is presented to Dheeraj Hadole for his untitled artwork acrylic on canvas. The next merit certificate is presented to Aniruddha Suryavanshi for his artwork titled Relinquish Life, done in oil on canvas. The next is R. Solomon. Merit certificate is presented for his artwork Looking Beyond, done in acrylic on canvas. Looks very interesting cityscape. The next merit certificate is presented to Sheetal Matre for her artwork Close, done in watercolor on paper. The next merit certificate is presented to Ashta Datta for her artwork Vertical Garden, done in watercolor using silver foil on paper. The next merit certificate is presented to Mugdha Deshpande for her artwork Y series. It's done in acrylic on canvas. The next merit certificate is for Sandeep Ghude for his artwork Childhood Memories, done in acrylic on canvas. The next merit certificate Madan Pawar for the artwork Human Forest, done in acrylic on canvas. The next merit certificate goes to Sumit Devrauji Brahmankar. It's a self-portrait done in acrylic on boxboard. The next merit certificate goes to Jain Kamal for his painting Jivant Namo, mixed media on canvas. The next merit certificate goes to Anushri Ramnath for her artwork, Just Another Snow Day, done in acrylic on canvas. The next is Sangapal Uttam Maske for his painting Pharmacy Lab, done in oil on canvas. The next is Nilesh Pawar for his painting Gajraj, done in acrylic on canvas. Very smooth, fragrant kind of texture. The next is Aboli Kadam for her painting Live Inscape, done in acrylic on canvas. The next merit certificate is presented to Vijay Tipugade for his landscape painting Race, done in oil on canvas. The next merit certificate goes to Riya Premchand Chandwani for her untitled artwork Mixed Media on paper. The next merit certificate goes to Madhuri Patankar for her painting Blue Valley, done in acrylic on canvas, dreamy landscape. The next merit certificate for painting goes to Lingaraju MS for the painting Broken Times, done in watercolor on paper, a kind of suggestive and symbolic artwork. The last merit certificate in the painting category goes to Siddharth Kerkar for his painting Boat Seat, done in mixed media on wood. Now, merit certificate for photography. The merit certificate for photography goes to Devesh Walia for his work Dancing Architecture. The next merit certificate for photography goes to Anuja Nandakishore Sonavne for her artwork Jharokha. Now the merit certificate in graphic prints. Merit certificate in print goes to Jyotsna Mandapka for her woodcut Eye Hospital Junction. The next merit certificate for print goes to Chering Negi for his artwork Zulme Shan Ki Daur Mein. Now the merit certificates for sculptures. The first merit certificate for sculpture goes to Archana Sharma for her sculpture First Step. It's done in casted brass. The next merit certificate in the sculpture category goes to Ratul Chandra Gogoi for his sculpture entitled Done in Wood and Brass Pipe. The next merit certificate in the sculpture category goes to Bhola Kumar, done in black marble. And the final merit certificate in the sculpture category goes to Vishwadeep Dey for his bronze sculpture Relationship. Now we will move to awards. Each award carries a certificate of appreciation and cash amount of ₹10,000. The first award is Sir Kawaji Jahangir Award for Best Painting. Sir Kawaji Jahangir, a well-known industrialist and philanthropist, became the first Indian president of the Bombay Art Society in 1936. He is the founder of famous Jahangir Art Gallery, which started in 1952. This award is dedicated after Sir Kawaji Jahangir. Sir Kawaji Jahangir Award for Best Painting goes to Vinod Chauhan for his oil on canvas work titled Vacuity. Vacuity means nothingness, perfect fusion of abstract and figurative art. Congratulations. The second award is Barrister V.V. Oak Award for the Best Painting. Barrister V.V. Oak, a well-known barrister, was the secretary of the Bombay Art Society from 1929 till 1961 for 32 years. It was his efforts along with Sir Kawaji Jahangir to get the land for Jahangir Art Gallery from then government near Prince of Wales Museum, where Jahangir Art Gallery stands today. Barrister V.V. Oak Award for the Best Painting goes to Ravindra Pawar for his painting acrylic on canvas titled Yellow with Triangles. The third award is V.P. Karmarkar Award for the Best Sculpture. Padma Shri V.P. Karmarkar, Vinayak Pandurang Karmarkar, a legendary sculptor known for his 8-ton heavy bronze statue of Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj, installed at Pune. V.P. Karmarkar studied at Sir J.J. School of Art, even Calcutta School, and later at London Royal Academy. V.P. Karmarkar Award for the Best Sculpture is presented to Chandan Bhandari for his sculpture titled Harbour, done in wood and metal, except the next is P.A. Dhond Award for Best Painting. P.A. Dhond was the Dean of Sir J.J. School of Arts in the late 50s and was also the Directorate of Art, Maharashtra State. Dhond sir is also known as the magician of the watercolor. He used medium of watercolor for the fascinating depiction of moods of nature. P.A. Dhond Award for the Best Painting goes to Ajit Shankar Raut for his beautiful watercolor titled Process of Unlockdown. Very apt award. The next award is named after the legendary painter and art educator founder member of Baroda School, Padma Bhushan N.S. Bendre. N.S. Bendre Award for painting goes to Anish Chauhan for his full-length creative portrait titled Happy Moment done in poster color on paper. The next award is K.K. Hebbar Award for Best Painting. Renowned painter Padma Bhushan K.K. Hebbar, born in Karnataka, studied at Sir J.J. School of Art in 1940s. Later, he studied at Paris as well and awarded Maharashtra State Gaurav Puraskar in 1990. In 1990, K.K. Hebbar was the president of the Bombay Art Society. During his tenure only, Bombay Art Society celebrated centenary year in 1988. The K.K. Hebbar Award for Best Painting goes to Shahid Pasha for his painting titled Soldiers done in acrylic on canvas. More beguiling is the title of the artwork. Soldiers. The next is Shankar Parshikar Award for Best Painting. Shankar Parshikar, a legendary art teacher, is revered by even today's master artists like Prabhakar Kolte, Lakshman Seshta and many others. Parshikar sir was Dean of the J.J. School of Art in the late 60s and he was artist considered as much ahead of his time. So Shankar Parshikar Award for Best Painting goes to Ganesh Chauhan for his entitled painting done in oil on canvas. It's a minimalist abstract painting. The next is Krishna Reddy Award for Best Graphic Work. Renowned printmaker Padma Shri Krishna Reddy, born in Andhra Pradesh, studied at Kala Bhavan, Vishwa Bharati University, Shantiniketan with Nandalal Bose in 1940s. He was considered a master in intaglio printmaking and later explored multicolor viscosity printmaking by using thickness of the ink from single printing matrix. Krishna Reddy Award for Best Graphic Work is presented to the most stunning etching and aquatint by Rabi Narayan Gupta, titled Temptation of Light. So many figures and characters in sepia tone, bordering on surreal territory. The next award is Baburao Sadvalkar Award for the Best Painting. Baburao Sadvalkar, one of the influential art teachers at Sir J.J. School of Art, was also the Directorate of Art, Maharashtra State. His historical, research-based work, Story of 100 Years, The Bombay Art Society, written in the centenary year of the Bombay Art Society in 1988, is the only written book to which most of the credit goes for what we know today about the Bombay Art Society and its history. Baburao Sadvalkar Award for Best Painting goes to Riyaz Samadhan for his black and white abstract done in acrylic on mound board. The next award for Best Sculpture is dedicated to the master artist and sculptor Ravindra Mestri. The jury awarded this award for the best sculpture to Karuna Shigwan for her sculpture Wildlife done in bronze. So many intertwined figures. The next award is Artist Harish Raut Award for Best Photographic Work. Artist Harish Raut became the secretary of the Bombay Art Society in the late 60s and worked for the society as a secretary for 19 years. He also took special efforts consistently for the publication of the Bombay Art Society's art journal for 13 years from 1971 to 1984 and published 13 issues. Artist Harish Raut Award for Best Photographic Work goes to Maitreyi More for her photographic work titled Poise. It's a digital print on canvas. The next award for Best Painting dedicated to renowned artist and former president of the Bombay Art Society, late Prafulla Dahanukar. Mumbai's art world used to call her lovingly Prafulla, means always smiling. She herself was a walking institution in itself. I am fortunate to learn a bit of her guiding principles while working with her on the committee of the Artist Center and later Bombay Art Society as well, till she passed away in 2014. Prafulla Dahanukar Award for Best Painting goes to Anand Madi for his abstract work done in acrylic on canvas. Next is B. Vittal Award for Best Sculpture. B. Vittal, a well-known sculptor, was also the president of the Bombay Art Society in the 1980s. B. Vittal Award for Best Sculpture is awarded to Yash Chaulkar for his sculpture titled Deadly Desire, done in grey marble. For the Bombay Art Society exhibitions, first time we introduced video installation category. And the next award is Gopal Arivekar Award for Best Video Installation. Gopal Arivekar, a well-known artist, was secretary of the Bombay Art Society during the centenary year celebrations in 1988 and later became the president of the Bombay Art Society in 1990s. The unanimous choice of jury for this award is well-known artist Subodh Kerkar for his video installation Fisherman and the Ocean, which is of 3 minutes. Bombay Art Society feels privileged to have such a renowned and well-known artist Subodh Kerkar to be part of Colors of Independence exhibition. Congratulations, Subodh. The last and 15th award is the Critics' Choice Dr. Saroyi Doshi Award. Dr. Saroyi Doshi, renowned art historian, former editor of Mark Publication, former director of National Gallery of Modern Art, and former president of the Bombay Art Society, is only the living person today in these 15 awards. The name of Dr. Saroyi Doshi and Prafulla Dhanukar most of the times is taken together in the Bombay Art Society because they both have got this land for the Bombay Art Society at Bandra Reclamation, where today Bombay Art Society's huge art complex is standing, and we are hosting this award function in this very auditorium of the Bombay Art Society's art complex. So the Critics' Choice Dr. Saroyi Doshi Award for Best Artwork goes to Gitanjali Kashyap for her artwork titled Sun, Space and Silence, done in charcoal. Sort of art, maybe not typical optical art, nonetheless very unique work of an art. That brings end to the merit certificates as well as awards. We are thankful to all the participating artists for such a stellar performances. Through this exhibition and names of awards, starting with Sir Kawaji Jahangir, who is the founder of Jahangir Art Gallery, to the Critics' Choice Dr. Saroyi Doshi Award, it was our humble effort to honor all these legends who gave shape to the art world we inherited today from them, at least in Mumbai and Maharashtra. As per directive principles of the Bombay Art Society, it is also our aim to promote young talent in the field of visual arts and make them art platforms available to display artworks, particularly in these extraordinary circumstances, challenging times for all of us. The celebration to commemorate 75 years of India's independence started with this exhibition Colors of Independence will continue throughout the year through seminars, webinars, talk shows, conversations, art workshops, either online or offline as per the prevailing public health guidelines at that time. We all are adjusting with the time and changes in our everyday lives and trying to see how artists and art can bring all of us together. We will overcome these times as artists are often ahead of their time. On this occasion of 75th year of India's independence, all the participating artists in the Colors of Independence exhibition are presented with certificate of participation. This is the time of celebration. So for us, all are winners. Congratulations to all the participating artists once again. See you next at the Bombay Art Society's 130th All India Annual Art Exhibition in February 2022. Thank you.